What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video. Man, I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today. Man, it's been a long couple of days, but we finally got our parts in for our Road Glide special. Yes, our 2021 Road Glide special in the Boosie Fade Blue. Yes, we finally got pretty much all our parts to put it in. We did order a black crash bar, so that should be here in a couple days. So we'll tackle the interference stuff today just so we can get that storage door on there and pretty much lock tight and do all that stuff, lock everything into place. Meanwhile, our wheels for our Road King just got done and stuff a couple of days ago, man. So I gotta slide all the way back to the city to pick those up, of course. So just trying to kill two birds with one stone. So I might have to wait a couple of days to pick them wheels up to finish this Road King off. But either way, I can't wait, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys haven't entered the giveaway for either one of these bikes, I'm giving them both away, a 2021 Road Glide Special and our 2014 Road King, both with the Boosie phase on it, man. If you guys haven't entered the giveaway for these joints, man, head over to everythingsregular.com right now, copy a red, blue, and white Everything's Regular hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. We are just about sold out, man, so $100 can literally win you a Harley Davidson, man. Customized by yours truly, man. Everything's Regular, man, so head over there right now and go grab your entry. Meanwhile, today it's time to get this thing straight, so let's pull this Road Glide out and get on our way. Guys, we have got our outer fan back on there. We got our turn signals mounted up there. Everything is working. And we're just waiting for our windshield to come. We do got our doors on that joint. So we got the gray doors on there. Does look really good. I like the gray doors. Does look good, man. So now I'm gonna clean these little freaking little speakers up instead of buying new ones and see how clean we can get them. But other than that, this thing is pretty much done. We just got to, like I said, our crash bar is on its way. And then we do have to switch our brake, our master brake cylinder, which we have. We just got to freaking switch it out. So that's about it. But other than that, it's pretty much complete. Just like that, we got them speaker grills in. Thing is looking good. See these lights. Hey, we got turn signals. We got lights. Should be good to go. I'm digging it, man. Let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below. These freaking, these grills pretty much just completed this thing up, made it look that much more complete, man. I'm digging it. Now that that's done, we're waiting on our crash bar for this bike. But literally, this thing is about to be headed out to Philadelphia, or Pennsylvania, rather, before the week is up, or hopefully by the end of the week. This one, we're waiting on rims, man. So I might just slide down to LA, cop these so I can go finish this bike. That's gonna transform this thing all the way up. Then we do have our bars for it. So we're gonna see what's cracking, man. I can't wait. What y'all thinking about it so far? Let your boy know in the comments below. Alrighty, guys, man. Next morning here we are in the Camaro, man. I couldn't wait no longer, man. I'm on my way to LA to pick up these wheels. So, man, y'all already know what time it is, man. We're about to hit up Antonio's, get that thing together. Now, I could be taking my side covers out there, but me personally, I don't feel it's that big of a deal, man. I like it either way, so about to go pick up our wheels and get these things put on today, man. I can't wait. Yes, sir. Just put up on Antonio early morning. He got some stuff going. Said I could bring the Camaro like this weekend, so I can't wait. We're gonna get it together. Yes, sir. Ooh, that look good. Oh, yeah. That looks nice. Let's check it out. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's gonna look good. Yeah, it looks really good, Antonio. It's really good. Alrighty, guys, just made it to BBV, man. My guy Dan is getting our tire switched out because we do have that wraparound, man. So the wheel is over there. We got our brand new tire right here, 21. So we'll be popping this bad boy on there. So we'll be able to put that wrap around. That'll be perfect. Made it back to the house. Got our tires switched out. Got our rims ready to go on. Our freaking Roll King, man. So I'll pull this joint up. See if we can get that front one real quick. You know we got to get that front one first, man. I think it's going to look lovely. But I don't even know if I got all the stuff for the fender, man. I hope so. Guys, we got our front wheel on there. It does look really good. Actually looks really great now. I'm loving it now. That thing is fire, man. Now the only thing I am having some issues with, y'all see how this thing is like barely moving. So thinking it's like the spacers or something. I'm not sure. We're gonna figure this out real quick though and get it riding smoothly. But all in all, it does look good so far. And just like that, guys, we got our wheel on there. Now our fender is just mocked up on there. We gotta go find some more screws. I literally only have 2 of these. I thought I had 4, but hey, apparently not, man. So gotta go to Home Depot, find like a few of these with some nugs on the end, with some little lugs on the end, and then we'll put that fender on there. But meanwhile, man, that front wheel does look good. It's gonna look great with that freaking fender. I can't wait. So now it's time to get that back wheel situated. So we'll see what's popping. Guys, we got our back wheel off. Got that old joint off, man. That thing was crispy. Now it's time to put our new daddy-o on that joint, so I can't wait. Let's get this thing mounted up. It's gonna be a little bit of struggling, but we're gonna get it, man. Let's do it. So y'all see me working and working and working. I'm still struggling. Still ain't got it, man. It's always this freaking bearing and that spacer that I never want to get right, man. So I don't know. I swear it's always like this, dog. You get some that's easy, then you get some that's not easy at all. So I don't know, dog. That's why you never give up, guys, because you'll be right next to the goal, just digging. You give up, and somebody else can come and get the goal for like little to no work, man. But we figured it out, got it looking good. Oh my God, that back end looks so amazing. It look good, Mama? It look good? Good. Look nice? Nice. Okay, cool. I'm glad you like it. She said it looked nice, so I think it looked good, man. We're gonna get these pipes and bags mounted back up, and we're gonna be good to go. Let's see if we can find these freaking bolts, man. Just got back to the crib. I'm about to try to mount this freaking front fender on, man. Let's get it. Alrighty, y'all, so we kind of got our fender on there. However, these holes on this like wraparound fender isn't matching up, man. It's always gonna be something with these freaking fenders, dog. That's what I have learned. If it's not the tire, it's gonna be the hose. If it's not the hose, it's gonna be the tire, man. So gotta find a tool to freaking drill through metal now to make that hole a little bit bigger, because it's literally not catching on either side. It's not wide enough, so gotta fix that. But I mean, so far so good. We came pretty far today. So got our back wheel switched out on that, got this thing switched out. Tomorrow we'll probably tackle this fender or something, because I'm type done with it today, man. I want to get it done, but I'm tired of leaving the house and going to buy tools and whatnot, man. So I think I'm done, but I don't know, we'll see. Let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below. Y'all know this thing is gonna look real good when it's 100%. I can't wait. Just like that, y'all, we got her pulled out. She is looking hella good. I ain't gonna even hold you. Looking real good, man. Y'all see how that color scheme came out with that yellow? This just looks so good. I'm digging it, man. I love it. I wish we had that fender on there. Matter of fact, we might even have to mock up the fender right now just to get a whole taste of it real quick. That chrome is shiny, godly. Yeah, now we looking good, man. Even though the fender not all the way on there, man, you gotta get the full taste of it, dog. I ain't gonna even hold you. I am digging it. This thing looks so good. That's crazy. I'm mad that freaking fender didn't go right on there, but hey, at least we get to work on it a little bit more. And shine in the process. What y'all think, man? Let your boy know in the comments below, dog. See if we can get a good start on this thing or something, man. Got a little bit of gas, but it's looking good, man. I actually kind of want to ride this thing right now, to be honest with you, man. Yeah, man, I ain't gonna even hold you. This thing is shining up, looking real good. Man, y'all let your boy know what you think, dog. That yellow and that gray is like literally hitting with that chrome. Literally. I love it. I love it. Even without the front fender, it doesn't even look bad. That's the crazy part. It actually looks really good without the front fender on there. But all in all, I can't wait, man. What y'all think? And then I did throw the windshield on there. Oh my God, this thing is looking freaking nuts. Bruh. I ain't gonna hold you. Whoever said they didn't see the vision or that this color was not it, y'all crazy in the brain. Like, this thing is literally sick. Oh, I gotta see it with the fender on here with the windshield. Ooh wee. Man, this thing look just so complete. Like with the windshield on there and the oohs and the ahs. Man, I'm mad that freaking fender didn't line up today, dude. This thing is probably like my best one yet. I ain't gonna even hold you. The blue one is nice, but this yellow one literally, I don't know, man. I think it does it for me, man. That yellow lip really brought it out. You guys see that thing looks just cold. Chrome lowers. Looks great, man. I'm digging it. What y'all think about it? So, alrighty, guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today, man. You guys seen we got the blue and gray thing situated, as well as our gray and like goldish yellow thing situated, man. If you guys haven't entered for either one, head over to everythingsregular.com right now. Copy your red, blue, and white Everything's Regular hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. We have first and second place. First place is this 2021 Rogue Live Special. Second place is our 2014 Rogue King. So, man, head over there right now and get your hat. They only $100, man. So you can be next winning a Harley Davidson for only $100. With one hat, man, you guys can win either one of these things, the 2021 or my Rogue King. Buy two and you might get lucky enough to win both of them, man. I've seen it happen before, back to back at least. So, man, you just might be the next one, man. So if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. Head over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go get your entry. Meanwhile, I'm about to hop on this joint and ride it, man. So I will catch you guys tomorrow, dog. Peace.